First, before I get into the information, I want to break down to you guys exactly how I gather this information. I never claim to be a credit guru or act like I know everything in the credit space, but I do surround myself around a lot of people that educate themselves on this game to make sure I can get basically just the best information that I need so that I can put out the best dispute letters or come about doing things the right way. So I've been doing the 24-hour credit removal or hard inquiry removal, sorry about that, for 6, 7 plays. I know I've been running that bag up. You understand me? And all of a sudden, well, I get a police report. Middleman don't be talking to the police. We don't be doing that. I don't be doing that. So what's going on here? So I'm okay. I need to find a different way. I want you to think the same way like me. Put yourself in my position. Okay, what I was doing wasn't working. Now I need to find a new way. All right. So I go in one of my groups where there's a lot of elite members in these groups I be in, and I ask the question, and they give me the assignment, and they tell me where they got the information from. So before I get this started, I like to shout out because I ain't want to share information and not say where I got it from. I'm not here to say I'm a credit guru. A lady named Bree Hive on Instagram. Right now, if you're in the credit space, she's putting ads out there on the regular. So you should be running across it and look like she's doing her thing. So shout outs to you, because this is where I actually got the information from. So I get that right there, and the first thing I do is exactly what you're supposed to do. I use Google. So I Google the information to make sure I can verify it, and this is what I did with it. So let's get into this play, and I'm going to show you exactly how I put this all together, and I put it in a space for my team so that they can get the information and run the same play. And we just keep duplicating and duplicating and duplicating. Let's get to it. All right. So what she had told us was, and just pointed the finger in the right direction, and you had to do the rest of the play. 15 USC code 1681C-2, block of information resulting from identity theft. All right, so block, except as otherwise provided in the section, a consumer reporting agency shall block the reporting of information in the file of a consumer that the consumer identifies as information that results from the alleged identity theft, not later than 4 business days after the date of the receipt by such agency of appropriate proof of identity of the consumer, a copy of an identity theft report, the identification of such information by the consumer, and a statement by the consumer that the information is not information related to any transaction by the consumer. Where in there does it say that you legally need a police report? It doesn't. What these guys do, these credit bureaus do, they put stall tactics in place because they know, like, okay, if they figured this part out, we can add something else in this section so that they got to do something else. The average human mind ain't going to keep going through all that hassle before they like, yeah, fuck it, I'm just going to keep them joints up there. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the average mind don't understand how much money you can make, having a good credit report, how to turn that credit to cash. That's why middleman here to run that play with you. You know what I'm saying? So after we understand this information right here, now we had to put together a dispute letter for this right here. So what did I do for the team? So I literally took information from one dispute letter, added in this information, and I made it just a headbanger. You feel what I'm saying? So right here in my group, or in my mentorship, or in my course, whatever you want to call it, because I ain't no big nobody. I'm just providing the service so everybody can get the results that they need in life, right? But I have a software where you see right here, it generates everything for you. So we all using the same thing. And you go in here and you know exactly what to do. So we ran the play and I put all the information in. Everything you're going to need right there. Right? And so you run this play right here. And if they don't want to do what they need to do, we already putting ourselves in a position so we can be granted remedy. If you don't want to take these inquiries off, okay, now when we go back and we want $1,000 per inquiry, we can run that bag up on you. You dig what I'm saying? And file them lawsuits. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't, but at least you're putting yourself in a position where you can get the best bang for your buck. You dig what I'm saying? All right. And so right there, that's a dispute letter. Like I say, when you get the software and you inside the course, as soon as you put your information in and you're looking for this letter, it's going to be right there exactly where in the course it shows you what to do and it generates for you. If you don't want to get the course, I'm giving you free game. This is free game for you, and you can create this yourself. Don't tip if you ain't in the course. Please don't let me see you. Well, I probably ain't gonna find out, but have integrity about yourself. Don't go looking at my letter and go word for word and busting down on my letter, and you know good time running the play. You know middleman is giving you the play. Don't do that to me. I love you, baby. You know what I'm saying? But let's go over here to the Facebook group and how I put that together for you as well. All right, so right here, FTC. Because we already spoke on FTC, and these are old videos that we was already saying. But now since we updating it again, we're going to keep updating until we can we staying on top of this game, man. Just staying on top of it. So right here, we already know you're going to need the FTC alpha date. So this video right here is speaking on it. FTC report website where you need the identity theft for .gov. And I believe this is for the Equifax. You need this on top of the FTC alpha date for the Equifax. And now with Transunion, they want the FTC document. And this is this one right here, the Transunion update. So we already got this in play for you. So you see when you get into the group, you're going to get into the Proud Facebook group. Oh, where is this stuff right? You just go right there in that search engine where I just showed you, and you're going to put in FTC, and everything that you need is going to generate for you, right? I got everything in place for you. All the information with the addresses, the phone numbers, whatever you need is right there. That's the point. That's what you're investing in. You investing in getting the information and being around people that you can ask those questions so we can get the job done for you. Because if I can't figure it out, I'm going to go into one of my groups with more elite individuals, and they're going to pass me the information. I'm going to run the play with you. You see what I'm saying? And that's basically how that's going to go right there. So what else we need to go over right here on this YouTube video? I'm excited. I already ran this play and I was having problems with Transunion, but after I hit him with this FTC report right here with the 1681C-2, they literally just had to drop my stuff. Like, I got the letter in the mail stating that all my disputes been dropped, and I got a big thing coming in March, and we're gonna be dropping that as well. That's what I want to talk to you guys about. All right. So inside my course, we have a lot of dispute letters about factual dispute. But I just invested a few $100s because I see what really works for myself and other people is consumer law. Well, we were just going over with the 15 USC, and there's different laws in the consumer law. But the consumer law is for our benefit. It's to get us where we want, to get us the results that we really want. When you factual disputing, it's like you're playing a tit for tat game. When you're using the law against them, you get like real results in a quick span, in a quick time frame, excuse me, guys. But definitely that's where we're gonna be heading at. So yeah, I'm gonna be going over that, and I'm gonna be changing a lot of dispute letters from just using the law. We're gonna attack them with the law, because yeah, I want to make sure everybody in the 750 Club 2022, everybody's getting whatever they're trying to get done, houses, cars, whatever you're trying to do. And so we're not letting little things like this stop us anymore. So we got the game, we got the information, we just got to run the play, right? You know what I'm saying? Middleman, I'm just providing y'all with the ball. Y'all take, man. Go crazy. Just go crazy. I just want to see y'all go crazy, because right now, me and the team, we going crazy. You feel me? We silently working. I apologize to y'all for not giving y'all the content that y'all looking for, but we back now. January is over. It's February now, and we lit, right? Believe that. So that's that play on how to block that thing like Shaq with a 24-hour hard inquiry removal. Now we got the consumer law dispute letter in place with the FTC alpha date to make sure we heavy in the game. Send these letters out certified. Well, you can send the alpha date. I would recommend you send them certified. The FTC the dispute letter, the FTC dispute letter with the 15 USC 16 excuse me, let me make sure I'm saying it right. Yeah, 1681C-2. Send it certified, but that can get costly, because you know you send in all the bills and stuff like that. Or you can send it regular, or if you're using the software, you can link with me and I can send it off through the software for you. However you want to run that play, we here for it. You know what I'm saying? But that's the update again on the 24-hour credit removal. It definitely works. I already ran that play and it worked for me, and I'm giving you access to it. Either you're going to take the information and create your own dispute letter, or you can click the link in the bio and you can get the software. Welcome to the team. Join the team. I like all the new members. I've seen a lot of people come from YouTube, because y'all see I'm trying to drop as much content and give you as much updates as possible. So I appreciate that. And anytime you need my assistance, it's always DM me. I'm there for you, because after you invest in me or you invest in yourself with me, and partner with me, oh, we lit. We gonna get to it. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate that too, man. You know what I mean? That's why I'm here to keep creating this content for you guys, yo. But on this video right here, we definitely gonna go ahead and close this up. And until next time, Middleman Mentor, and I'm out. Man, listen, man. Go on out there and duck that thing like shit.
And he comes down, and then he shoves him right.